Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Buat the phone line.
Right? Well done. And finish? How much? This paper? Two.
Paper.
2,000. 2,000 and
Oh, to
two what? Two paper. What for that paper?
like
Flying okay. Who's give you this coursework or homework? Mr. or Mrs.
Mrs. Devi.
Mrs. Devi. About what subject? About present subject. You just alone or two person or I have the group? Oh, you have a group. Okay, tell me. I want now. I want now. Who's your group? How many person? One group is. One group is 4 people, 4 person. They are last one. So, okay. Thank you very much for your attention. So, you can prepare yourself to go into Salah after this. Okay. Good luck. Okay. Okay. Salam. Okay. Carefully. Okay.
Okay.